If we're looking at replacing the burner on a boiler, one of the questions the manufacturer is going to ask is, what is the back pressure on the vessel? And that question really comes into play when we're looking at the fan sizing, because a fan is really just a high volume pump that's pretty weak, but if it's not sized for the correct back pressure, it's not going to move the amount of air we need it to move under the existing conditions. So many boilers will have a tapping in the rear of the boiler where we can take the furnace pressure. So ideally at high fire, we'll take a manometer and read our pressure there. It may be a fraction of an inch, it may be 4 inches water column, but that's going to help us select the right fan to do that job. I don't want to look at the stack pressure because that's on the other side of the heat exchanger. What I'm trying to measure is the pressure that the fan actually sees. So the back of the furnace is the best place to read it. If we can't read it there, we can look at the combustion air proving switch and see what sort of back pressure it's seeing at the purge position. The burner doesn't have to be firing to get a basic number, but if we've got a unit that's firing, we'll want to check that at high fire.